Only 35% of the population worldwide are financially literate.
Building a solid financial foundation doesn't need to be complicated. Here are 8 basics that can set you on the right path towards financial success.
Number 1,
financial literacy. This is the ability to understand effectively the use of various financial skills.
know what you are aiming for. Write your goals in short, medium, or long-term goals. Track your income and expenses to make sure that you're spending within your means.
Choose the right bank accounts for savings, everyday spendings, and emergencies.
Let your excess funds earn more in a bank or in a stock. Be careful with debt. It can either be a good leverage or a trap. Plan way ahead so that when you no longer can work, you'll have enough funds to enjoy a good life. Financial freedom. Having enough money and not worry about money at all.
Want more tips on mastering finances? Hit that subscriber button and let's keep building your financial future together.